Hi, welcome to Amateur Decorating Like a Pro. I am Catherine. In this video, I'm going to share with you some final touches that I have put on the living room for holiday decorating. You guys know how much I love this piece of art. It's by Stylecraft, and I really didn't want to take it out of the living room, so I decided to dress it up with a little bit of greenery using these large green picks. Now, I did cut away a couple of the feathers that were on each pick, but that was about it. So watch how we dress this up. Now, so there is no shifting in the arrangement. I'm going to use floral wire to connect all of the picks together. And it's good that some of those are coming from the back because I can wrap them around that little dial or pole that's holding up the artwork. This arrangement looked great, and all we needed to do now was to add some larger leaves to it to give it a little bit more volume. Two points here. This piece is portable, and I can keep it up after the holidays as winter decor. Without a doubt, she will be spending some time with us after Christmas. Like I said earlier, I wanted to stage the coffee table for entertaining, so we removed the wreath. It's on the front porch. Well, I've got the basics of what most people think should be on a coffee table. You've got to have a tray, some nature, and candlelight. I love mixing vintage and modern, and I know that faux topiary is really cheapening the display, but don't worry, I want a live floral arrangement. Now, I swapped out some of the pillows that are normally on the couch for the large faux fur pillows and the velvet holiday pillow. Using ginger jars and one of my coned Christmas trees, I created a vignette here for the floor, and this does connect to all of the colors in the garland and the Christmas tree. And I've also had a little fun around the bottom of the Christmas tree. Every year I have my brown boxes, and I basically just change out the ribbon to match the decor or the colors of the tree. So this works out for me beautifully every year, and the colors are there. And like I said, they're just flowing throughout this area. And this goes into the foyer as well with a color. So you can use your ginger jars, your cone trees, matching boxes to pull off your look. It's just about flowing the vibe throughout the room as if you were decorating not necessarily in the Christmas season. You know, you do this all the time with your color palette. So my husband and son were taking a walk the other day, and it was getting dark, so everyone basically had their Christmas lights on. They decided to come home and tell me what everybody else had and what we did not have. I mean, I'm serious. Are you helping here, people? That's exactly what my answer was. Now, I believe that my fellas think that once they drag out all the Christmas decorations from the garage and the attic, that that's the end of their role for decorating for the holidays. They've done their part. The rest is up to me. That's what they believe. Now, the one time I really like using my lanterns is the holiday season. And I've had these for a couple of years. I only wish that I'd gotten two of the one on the left instead of one, because the one on the right, it really doesn't match. And I don't let that bother me. It is the same color, so let's just go ahead and work with it. These large tasseled ornaments, those are from at home several Christmases ago. Now here I'm showing you how I make the bow, and then how I just use one piece and I stick it in the back of the bow and I tie that piece around the top of the lantern. For me this year, ribbon is solving a multitude of problems. I have lots of ribbon and I seldom drag it all up for Christmas, but this Christmas I'm really using the ribbon that I have and I'm actually enjoying it. I guess you could tell because I've got ribbons everywhere. I have gotten your messages that the link to my Amazon store sometimes is not working. When that happens, please go directly to my YouTube homepage, and in the top right hand corner, you see that Amazon symbol. Click it. It never fails. That one is always working. Thank you so much. And if you're new to this channel and you want to know more about me and what I did this holiday season, go back and look at some of these videos. There is a playlist for this holiday season and it is attached to this video and in the description box. I think you have to know when to stop decorating. And since there are these beautiful doves here in this sculpture, and then we have peace and faith on the Christmas tree, and of course we have our angel on the mantle who is also holding a dove. I'm done. I'm good. I think we've made our statement here, and this is what I wish for you: peace, love, joy, and hope. So we are checking the living room off the list along with the kitchen area, and the next room we're going to do is the dining room. That has been our workshop, guys, so we got to get in there and get that stuff cleaned up. There are a couple of DIYs that we're going to do very quickly, and we'll be able to share that room with you. Why do I keep saying we? I will be able to share that room with you in the next couple of days. If you're not a subscriber, consider doing so today. Turn the notification bell on, yada yada yada. You know I want you here, so please consider that. Thanks a lot for watching. As always, stay in prayer and stay creative. Merry Christmas!